What's up YouTube? It's your boy Big Earth, and we have another video today that I want to share with you guys. It's something very exciting. But if this is your first time stopping by this channel, go ahead, like and subscribe. I got so many plans for different videos and different content because now we have a car club out here in Washington, and we got different cars that are going to be featuring the channel, and I'm excited to work together with some of these guys from the car club. So I recently got my Adams polishes, and I want to show you guys what we got in the mystery bucket. They had their mystery bucket deal. So these are some of the things that came in my bucket. All these bottles actually came in the bucket. So shout out to Adams. Pretty cool products. Here's the bucket itself. My dry towel. This is super awesome. And then it came with the washing mitt pad, and then another wash towel. Another thing is updates on the Subaru. As you can see now, the Subaru has a matching hood with the light pistachio vinyl from Avery. We went ahead and matched the hood and the trunk. Might as well show you guys right now the matching trunk now too. And we debadged it and only strapped on the STI logo. Let's check out what's inside this trunk. We have a set of Cosmos racing wheels that are going to be going on the Subaru, and I'm pretty excited. First set of white wheels that I've ever had, and we're going to go ahead and mount them today. Check it out. Federals, 245s, 40s, rim 18s. They are the 595 Federals, and I got them for super cheap online, and they're gonna go on these rims today. Let's check them out. There they are. Super nice. These are the XT206Rs Cosmos Racing. So the sizes are 18 by 9. Bolt-on is by 114.3s with the offset plus 33. So I've already test fit them because I was nervous that the Brembos were going to be too big and they might have rubbed here, but nope, these clear them. I did get these rings here to make sure that there wasn't going to be any rattling or any bumpy roads, so they can fit my hub, my stock rotor hub. So these go on here like that. Perfect fit. And that size bore is going to go ahead on the stock system that the car has. So these are super important, so that way you don't get any issues when you install your wheels. And I also got my ceramic coating product, so I can ceramic coat these before they go mounted on the car. So we're gonna do this. I'm gonna include this process in this video, so that way you guys check it out. So as you can see, I am packed back here with my tires. I have 2 wheels here and then 2 in the trunk, and I got all 4 tires in the back row of my seat. So those of you who are wondering if Subaru STIs have any type of room, we have it, man. Like, I am packed in here, and we're gonna get these wheels mounted on these tires, and then I'm gonna bring them back in my car, not on the car, because I'm still gonna ceramic coat them. So I'll see you guys in a bit. What's up, guys? So a couple hours later, our wheels are on our tires. They look so sick, and I'm freaking excited. Now we gotta get them home and ceramic coat these joints. I came to bug Austin at work because I want to show him the wheels. I couldn't wait. I'm vlogging. Say hi.
Bro.
Shout out Auto Nation.
Unlock the car?
It's open.
You know how to unlock your own car? Oof. Those look baller. Those look so good.
They look dope, huh?
Oh yeah.
I like the fitment. I like the amount of meat I have on it.
Yeah.
So, you know, we like them thick.
Ticky tick.
Meanwhile, we're here real quick. He checked out the wheels. He loves them because I knew he was gonna like them. We're gonna check out this GTR that he is on a mission to sell to a customer. So we are at Auto Nation Subaru out here in Spokane, and let's go check out this GTR 2015 maybe. GTR. It's a pretty badass car. I see some vinyl wrap, carbon fiber. All right, Austin. Oh, it is a 2013. I thought it was a 2015, but it is a 2013. Anybody has made an offer yet or anything?
Nope.
No? God damn, y'all detailed the shit out of it, huh? Look at this. Jesus. It looks so good. GT Izzle. You gonna turn it on for us? Let's hear it. Pretty cool. Sounds really good. Stock, huh? All stock. So how many miles?
27,000 miles.
27,000, 2013. That's not bad at all.
Black edition, so you get the race fork wheels too.
Carbon fiber spoiler? Stock?
Yep.
Damn. Black edition. Let's check out the interior. Black and red interior. Nice. That's also real carbon fiber?
Nope, wrapped.
Wrapped, huh? They wrapped it. It's clean.
It's in there.
Super clean, super clean. Damn, y'all detailed the shit out of it really good. Because it didn't look like this when you guys first got it, I remember. Alright guys, well, shit. So if you're ready to buy a GTR, come holler at my boy Austin.
Yep.
On Sprague.
The plug.
Got the plug, he'll give you a good ass deal.
Yep. No haggle.
No haggle, hell no. Either you could get it or you can't get it. Oh look, people appreciating the car. Okay. Dude, the car looks so fucking low, like from the back. Like it fits on bags already. Because that's the goal, bags. Look how low that looks. Took off the spacers. Look at that shit. Nope. Can't go in there. I just want to keep it like this now, bro. Fuck it. No white wheels. Alright guys, so now the tires are mounted onto the wheels, and before I put them on the car, I want to go ahead and ceramic coat them with this Q2 rim solution. So this is ceramic coating for wheels only. And I want to go ahead and ceramic coat these, leave them overnight, maybe 24 hours, and then throw them on the car. What's up, guys? So today is the following day after I ceramic coated the wheels. My battery ran out, so I was only able to film one. They are in the house, they're still drying up, and takes 24 hours. So what I wanted to do today was ceramic coat the Brembos as well. And I'm gonna go ahead and use the Chemical Guys Diablo. Try to get this as clean as possible and rinse it down and hopefully be able to ceramic coat these nicely. Then I'll put the wheels, I took the spacers off already. Then I'll put the new wheels on and let it sit for tonight as well with the Brembos ceramic coated. What's up, guys? So timing was everything today because we got the Brembos ceramic coated and we threw on the wheels, and the lug nuts that I ordered are here now. So let's unbox these real quick. I'm pretty excited. I've never used this color on lug nuts. I thought it would look nice on these white wheels, so let's give them a shot. These are Z Racing Neochrome lug nuts. They are made out of steel. So here's the lug nut. I think that's pretty cool. They should look pretty sick on the white wheels. So we got that, and we also got something else in the mail. I should have done this a long time ago to my car, but for some reason I waited so long. But we went ahead and ordered black STI side badges. There goes the focus. So these are the side badges for the STI, and they do have the 3M. These are matte black with the white. So guys, I just mounted the lug nuts on this car, and holy shit, check this out. These are so sick. There's the back ones. They don't poke out so much, so I like it. This is how much they poke out. They don't poke out on the tire, so check that out. They look so sick. I'm in love with them, so I'm gonna keep them on and let's see how it goes. So right now what I'm gonna do is install the badge down there, but I am gonna vinyl this piece. Originally I wanted it black, but this right here, we're gonna go ahead and just vinyl it real quick, the same color of my car, the light pistachio gloss, because then we're gonna take this off and we are going to substitute it with this one right here. So, but I just feel like we need to vinyl this piece so that way this contrasts out and then matches with the tires and the wheels. So let's go ahead and vinyl that real quick and then I'll show you guys what's good. 30 minutes into it and I'm done. I vinyled the part that I wanted to vinyl and I think it's looking really good. Let me show you guys. So there it is. New badge. Looks super good. So I vinyled this part right here and I'm not gonna vinyl that. I like the way that black looks there. Beautiful sight right here for me. Look at those. Calipers are still drying from the ceramic coating, but they're looking good. I'm loving this car, guys. So there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for those who follow the channel, who've been liking these videos. And again, if you're new to this channel, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.